How to enable Touchpad on Windows 11. So in order to enable Touchpad, first you go to Windows and search for Touchpad settings and open up the Touchpad settings. And here make sure that the Touchpad is toggled on. If it is off, and also from here select the cursor speed, and also don't forget to select the gestures that you want to enable. Or if you're having problem with Touchpad, just go to Device Manager and expand Human Interface Devices and select your Touchpad, and from here update the driver. First this says automatically for drivers, and then select to install the driver manually and select from the list of available drivers in the computer and reinstall your Touchpad, and you should be able to enable Touchpad on Windows 11. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.